Nakaka-reassign pala. Itong dalawang to sa likod. Ikaw na lang kaya lumaban, Kiros. Ikaw na lang kaya lumaban, Kiros. Joke lang. Okay lang. Hindi pa siya kompleto eh, pero yun yung common sense na defense. He wants to go somewhere you don't wanna follow up. May onting technicalities na, in my part, dahil alam ko kahapon ka lang nagsimula, hindi ko pa na ituturo. Pero may sense. Pero malaki ang potential ba? Palma sa ulo niya, push him away or pummel back. You've been taught how to defend that. Good. Good. Push his head away, Miss Sherry. Tuloy lang. Bangga na ulo, hatak. Destroy in kindness. Wait. Sige, Chris, makukuha niya yan. Correct what each. Finish it, Miss Cherry. Finish it. Finish it. Oh, tapos, back to standing. Last 30 seconds. Uy. Oh, sayang, walang tinamaan.